We are on our way para i-claim yung free breakfast. Yeah. Oh, diba? Bongga bells. Really highly recommend this, guys. Hashtag Shell Likes. Char! Mag-room tour na tayo, guys. Are you ready? So, may lock dito. Tapos, may lock din dito. Diba? Secure talaga. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Any time of the day, they are willing to pick you up. Diba? Grabe. Amazing. Good morning! Hindi pa pala ako room tour. So, later, mag-room tour tayo. So, it's currently 9:48 AM, guys. And yeah, I'm still wearing yung sinuot ko kahapon kasi, later on, pupunta tayo sa Bangkok City at doon tayo mag-change or mag-check-in sa real na talaga nating accommodation sa Bangkok City. And right now, we are on our way para i-claim yung free breakfast dito sa morning hostel. Yeah, I'm so excited! Guys, ang ganda dito, guys, in fairness. Pero siya, near lang siya sa airport. Ayan. Uy, kainit. Ayan. Good morning. So, tingnan nyo guys, yung aming parang pantry style na. So cute. Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan. So, they have two sets pala guys. Set 1 or set 2. So, set 1 nila is parang bread siya, tapos may egg, no? Then, watermelon, then ito. I think same naman, egg sandwich. Yan, so ito yung second option nila. Then, breakfast free for our guests, so free mini bar. Wow! So, meron silang hot coffee, tea, orange juice, milk, soy milk, cornflakes. Yan. So, dito kami kumain before when I'm with my friends. Last 2019. Yan. So, dito yung talaga.
Shout out to your friends.
Hi mga bayot, if you're watching. I'm back again. Finally, after 5 years or more. So, by the way guys, yung situation namin is, diba, nag-check-in kami dito sa... By the way, we booked this through Airbnb, so I will just put all the links in case you are looking for an accommodation near sa airport. So, ayan, nag-check-in kami dito or nag-book na lang kami dito kasi yung Bangkok talaga from the airport is kinda far, and good thing kasi dito is nakapag-stay na ako, meron ako good experience dito before and nagustuhan ko siya, and meron din kasi siyang free pick-up sa airport at saka free breakfast. So I feel like, or we feel like yung 1,000 namin is worth the price na siya na mag-stay kami dito and para maka-relax o makatulog talaga kami ng bonggang-bongga. Then, later on, since it's still 9:53, so mag-breakfast kami, and then siguro mga before lunch, after lunch, or before lunch, pupunta na talaga kami dun sa, dun sa Bangkok na talaga, and mag-check-in kami mga 3 pa yata. So maybe, let's see, baka may early check-in. So yun guys, yun sa Bangkok City na talaga is yun yung accommodation namin for 7 days. Ayan. Breakfast is here na guys. So we have bread, egg, tapos may watermelon tayo. Ayan. Then free juices and water. So same lang kami ng order ni John for our free breakfast. And meron na siyang coffee. Wow. So yun guys. Hanapin lang ako. Meron silang option guys, like black coffee, cappuccino, cocoa, mocha, dark coffee, then dark chocolate. What shall I get? I guess cappuccino. Yeah. Coffee's here. Oh, coffee. Here's my breakfast for today. So, meron din silang guys, cereal. Ayan. then, nakakuha na siya ng plates. Ayan o. Meron din fish milk. Ayan. Ito rin. All for free, guys. Amazing, diba? And guys, so magkuha na ako ng cereal. Amazing. Amazing, guys. Guys, amazing. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, guys. O, diba? Bongga bells. Uy, wow. More satisfying lagi siya. Ayan. My cereal is here. And then, kukuha tayo ng milk. Nausa.
Dito lagi kayo. Ngayon sa dyan, ang buhok ng miyaw.
Let's try their watermelon. I feel like I'm so healthy. Guys, in all fairness, nag-enjoy kami. How about you?
Huh?
What can you say with their breakfast?
Very good. Highly recommend it too.
No, if you are looking talaga guys, accommodation here sa airport, ito talaga yung recommend ko. As in.
Free breakfast, free coffee, free cereals, and so on.
As in, grabe. Free pick up pa sa airport. The best.
Free ito. Gusto nyo mag-gana rice? Free mango.
Wow. Hey besties, so we are still here and ayan, bumili kami ng shrimp dumpling sa parang 7-Eleven dito. You know? For only 39 baht ito. 6 pieces na siya. Ito yung forma niya. Ito yung na-try namin kagabi nung pagkarating namin dito sa Airbnb. Ito yung binili namin. I highly recommend this one. Sobrang sarap guys, as in. So try nyo to if you are in Thailand. Sa Taps Daily pala namin nabili guys. I highly recommend this guys. Hashtag Shell likes. Char! Tag me on your Instagram story in case na-try nyo to once you're here in Thailand. And use my hashtag Shell likes char. Sobrang sarap as in. Ano siya? Sulit na siya. For only 39 baht. The best. Sa akin, isa pa yung nakain ko. Sa kanya, isa na lang yung natira. Grabe ha. Ganahan siya kasarap guys, as in. Sobrang sarap. Hey besties! So ayan, tapos na kami kumain. Dan kami nag-breakfast. Parang parang cafe dito sa Airbnb guys. And look our surroundings. Ayan. So dyan kami bumili sa sa Taps Daily. Dyan kami bumili ng food kagabi. So, hindi ko na siya na-vlog dyan. So, ito yung surroundings niya, guys. Yan. So, ganyan siya. So, ito yung parang coffee nila or cafe. Dyan. So, dyan kami nag-breakfast. And then, here is the, talaga, yung Airbnb talaga nila or yung mga rooms. Yan. So, eto, once nakalabas kayo, you will just use your key card dyan. Pero, since open naman, so no need na. Ayan, so, meron silang parang common area. So, dito, merong ref. May laundry din pala dyan, guys. So, yan. Dyan, maraming room sa baba. So, sa itaas, meron din. Before, when I was with my friend, ayan, sa taas kami nakapag-stay. So, ngayon kami nasa first floor. So, eto, let's go and, mag-room tour na tayo, guys. Are you ready? Char. Dyan is yung entrance. Ayan. Ito yung room. Ta-da! Let's go! Let's go inside. Ayan. Ching! Actually, guys, basic lang talaga siya. So, itap mo lang yung, parang card nila. So, bibigyan kayo ng card nila. And then, meron dito remote for the aircon. So, may lock dito. Tapos, may lock din dito. Diba? Secure talaga. Meron ng dito. Parang guidelines, something. So, sa door, eto may, curtain lang. So, guys, sorry if medyo makalat na siya kasi, tapos na kami maligo kanina and all. You know, nakapag-stay na kami dito overnight. So, yan, medyo makalat talaga siya. So, yan, eto is the mirror. Ayan. So, mirror. Then, dito, guys, merong outlet. You will just put your gadgets or, dyan para lalagyan kayo while charging. Then, another outlet. So, hindi tinipid yung outlet nila dito, guys. As in. So, may outlet dyan. So, same din sa taas. Meron din sa parang lagayan ng mga gadgets nila. Or you can just plainly put your gadget here if mahaba yung cord ninyo. And then, here's the bed. Ayan. Wow! Ito yung bed nila, guys. Yan. Good for 2 lang tong room na in-avail namin. Since dalawa lang naman kami. Very basic lang talaga siya, guys. So, don't expect lang na as in bongga. Pero as in, grabe yung service nila, bibino. As in. So, chika natin yan later. So, ito yung bed. And then, meron ding outlet dyan. Then, dito. Another outlet pala dito, guys. Pero, yun nga lang, is wala siyang lalagayan ng gadget nung kagaya nun. Ayan. But you can put siguro dito yung phone niyo. Pero parang not reliable. So, ayan. Meron silang heater. Then, meron din silang glasses. So, meron silang tissue. Ayan. So, kunin mo lang to if in case you need one. Yan, ganyan siya. So, they provide us free water. 2 free water. So, guys, medyo makalat siya dyan. So, palayo lang tagamay. So, dyan is parang may mini table lang. Then, meron siyang parang lang dito. Chair. Ayan. Then, sa bed is, meron siyang katapat na TV. So, ayan. Netflix ready na ito. So, you can play YouTube as well. So, dito pala is mayroong switch. Yan, switch. So, TV. You can play Netflix. Diyan is yung aircon. Ito is storage lang. Lagayan ng something ninyo. So, meron din silang parang hanger, something. Then, meron silang parang din. Lagayan lang siguro ng luggage, no? Ayan. So, next is dito. Ito na yung toilet or CR. Ayan. So, meron siyang shower curtain. So, here is the shower. So, hot and cold meron. Then, dito guys, meron silang body wash, shampoo, ayan. So, they provide also towel. So, 2 towel since 2 kami. Dito is yung sink. Ayan. Then, mirror. Mirror on the wall. Ayan. And then, meron trash can. Then, dito is yung toilet talaga. Then, tissue. Ayan, guys. Meron silang bidet. Siya? Plus points siya. So, meron din palang dito. Switch. Asa mo nga switch? Okay, so meron siyang switch. So, yan. Basically, that's it, guys. Yung parang niya. View. Or yung room talaga. So, ayan na guys, napakita ko na yung room and then yung parang sa labas din, yung surroundings, napakita ko na rin. So, as in guys, we super love the breakfast, no? Bebe, ikaw, anong masabi mo? Kasi guys, to think mga 1,000, I forgot, basta 1,600 yata to. Ay, wait, check ko muna guys. I'll verify. So, ayan guys. Ano pala siya? Per night niya is 1,653.74. Tapos, naka-early bird discount kami ng 5%. So, which is minus siya ng 82.69 pesos. So, yung total niya per night nung na-book namin is 1,571.05 pesos. Diba, guys? Amazing! Tapos, dalawang free breakfast na siya. Tapos, free pick-up na siya sa airport. So, guys, ano siya? Sulit talaga siya sa, budget as in. Tapos, so far naman yung breakfast is nag-enjoy talaga kami ng bonggang-bongga kasi think ha, free na yung coffee, free na din yung cereal, tapos may fruits, then orange juice, siya. Then, basta, parang hindi tinipid bitaw. No, baby, no? Parang hindi tinipid as in. So, for me is worth the price na siya. And yun yung nagustuhan din namin nung nagstay kami dito when I was with my friend last 2019. So, ayun. So, dito is magstay lang kami overnight kasi later, before lunch, is pupunta na kami sa Bangkok City talaga kasi yun yung original talaga ng aming accommodation. So, ayan guys, if you are looking for an accommodation near sa airport, I highly recommend this Airbnb and marami naman silang rooms guys, as in mga more than 10 siguro. I think so. Ayan, so free breakfast and free pick-up sa airport. So, siya, yan yung pinili namin kasi guys, nakarating kami sa Suvarnabhumi Airport, mga around 12 midnight na siya. Yan, tapos nakalabas kami mga 1 AM na since nag-immigration pa, kasi ang haba ng pila sa immigration eh. Tapos pa kami, kumuha sa aming check-in luggage, tapos nag-withdraw, tapos bumili pa kami ng SIM card. So, medyo mga, talaga, mga siguro 1 AM na kaming nakalabas dito sa nakalabas sa airport talaga. And even if, siya guys, 1 AM na kami nakalabas sa airport, they still pick us up in the airport. So, which is really one of the, talaga, plus points dito kasi any time of the day, they are willing to pick you up. Diba? Grabe. Amazing. Tapos yung breakfast. super worth it as in. So, ayun na siya guys. So, if you're looking for an accommodation here near sa airport, I highly recommend this Airbnb. So, in case you are looking for an accommodation, just click the link on my description box below. So, ayun. Check nyo guys. Baka gusto nyo rin. And ayan, so I guess I will stop my vlog here because later, punta na kami sa Bangkok City! Woo! The journey of the, struggles sa init at ulan siguro. Since it's already June, so medyo, expect natin na kinda cloudy and medyo, siguro uulan ng konti. Sana konti lang. Kasi parang paparating na yung rainy season dito sa Thailand. So, guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!